normally headed to the Victorian High Country, but unfortunately it's shut. There's only about 3 tracks open, so we decided to postpone it, and Caleb and I have decided to do a beach to bush trip. So we're going to McBrides tonight, then up to Kempsey, stay on the Macleay River, head up to Coffs Harbour, stay at Coffs, go across hopefully to Pebbly Beach, then work our way back down and drop back into Warhope hopefully, and then head home. So should be an epic few days. I can't wait to bring it to you, so stay tuned, let's get into it. Here we are at McBrides, first spot on this trip. And I'll tell you what, that's not a good sign. Water already running down the track. Anyway, this will be fun. Give it a go. This track, it's obviously we've had a heck of a lot of rain, but jeez, it's full on now. It's good.
We just got a fisherman down here, so I've just been talking to him.
Right, mate. See the nav, that rock is jammed hard against the rock sliders. This is why I tell people to have rock sliders for this track. McBrides never disappoints. Righto! So we've made it down. Not much beach. Really get a bit wet, mate.
A little bit wet.
Gee. Yeah, no, salt water's great for vehicles. Yeah. So Caleb just parked out there, and all of a sudden Set came and I had to tell him to back it up. Wow. Wait, it's wet up here for a reason. Oh, we need to check the tide, because if we get over to this island from over there and have lunch, there ain't no way of getting back. McBride's done. Gonna head up to Kempsey now, just airing up. Just be on the road and head up there and go to a bit of a lookout. So we just made the turn off, heading out towards Warhope. It's new ground. Never been out here, always wanted to, so let's check it out. So currently, we're trying to find this, I don't know, I guess you call it a massive cave-like rock. It's in the middle of the bush. Not having much luck. It's bloody wet out here. I'll tell you what, it's freaking slippery. We've had 2 locked gates so far. Not going real good, and it's nearly 7 o'clock. Pushing this tree uphill because we couldn't go back because it was already into his back quarter. It was so unbelievable. The March flies were hectic. In hindsight, we probably should have just cut it. Topsoil. This is fun. When you try to go around something. Oops. As you crack that surface, that's it, you're down, and nothing I could do was going to get me to go forward other than using this winch. And even using the winch, you could hear it pulling, and I was just slowly trying to just turn those wheels over, just trying to keep getting forward. This is our life now. Super fun.
Hey? Why is it so low? Well, because the tree's burnt. Yeah, just let it pull you, it's going right. Yeah, that's yeah. Keep on your back, just come past us now. Keep on. Keep on that angle. Oh, here's it up there. Turn the highway. Yeah, right.
What do you reckon, mate? This is good times.
Mate, 2 good looking roosters down to our Warhope.
Now it's wild when it's 10 o'clock. We haven't made it to camp yet, and we're currently at a car wash cleaning up mats. Day 1. Let me pluggers. Damn. How you going, mate? We're going to try Point Plumber for a night to camp. See what happens. Still looking for a place to camp.
fucking hell.
Oh, the adventure that just keeps giving. This road is so shit. And that's the end of the footage, guys. As you can see, car, we ended up leaving it at Minbar at a guy's house at 2 o'clock in the morning. We did try crimping it with a set of vice grips. It worked for a little bit, but unfortunately started bleeding out. So we left it there, came back the next day. It was still there, thank God. And yeah, chucked it on the back of the trailer and took it down to Tuneworks. So hopefully we'll get it running again soon. But not the way we planned the trip, but it was still good fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Chat soon.